Parts of the Black Hills are cleaning up after strong winds blew through last night. The Custer County Sheriff's Office shared these photos of the damage. You can see two semis blown over on Highway 79. Officials say several trees and power lines were down and some sparking small fires. Authorities say crews are working to clear those areas. The winds also knocked down trees in Custer State Park. Officials temporarily closed the park today. Some towns further north in the hills also saw damage from these winds. KELOLAND Tyler Loudner captured the video from Sturgis. Branches were on the road, a trampoline was flipped over, and part of fencing was down. Storm reports say Sturgis saw gusts as strong as 91 miles an hour. Per Black Hills Energy, over 11,000 customers are without power. A closer look at damage is coming up tonight on KELOLAND News. We're feeling that wind in Sioux Falls as well.